Welcome to Seeking Alpha's Wall Street Breakfast, where we cover the top news for investors every morning. Good morning. Today is Thursday, April 4th. I'm Julie Morgan. Perma-Fix may have a fix for forever chemicals. Cosmetics took a big hit on Wednesday, and Alphabet is reportedly considering charging you for some AI features. Perma-Fix Environmental Services has been working on a process to destroy PFAS chemicals. PESI closed higher by 20.8% in Wednesday's trading after saying it successfully completed pilot plant testing on its new patent-pending process for the destruction of forever chemicals. PFAS chemicals do not degrade over time through any natural process, and Perma-Fix says the tests were designed to demonstrate the destruction of commercial quantities of PFAS-contaminated liquids and better define the parameters needed to construct the first commercial unit. The company said its bench-scale testing of PFAS compounds demonstrated that the process is effective and can be applied to a variety of potential markets, including liquids, solids, soils, biosolids, and sludges. The founder of Perma-Fix said that the company is now in the process of constructing its initial commercial unit, which will be comprised of a sealed vessel operating under mild conditions. Cosmetic stocks took a hit on Wednesday after Ulta Beauty issued cautious commentary during a presentation at the J.P. Morgan Retail Roundup Conference. One of the notable pullouts from the presentation was that Ulta Beauty warned that consumers are seeing pressure from too much credit card debt at high interest rates. The company noted that it has seen a slowdown in demand across beauty categories. In terms of guidance, Ulta sees Q1 comparable sales landing at the lower end of first-half guidance for low single-digit growth. Shares of Ulta Beauty fell 15.3% on Wednesday. Retail peer Sally Beauty Holdings peeled off 6.67%, and e.l.f. Beauty slumped 11.92%. Cosmetics makers Coty, Nu Skin, Estee Lauder, and Inter Parfums were all in negative territory as well. Alphabet is reportedly considering putting some advanced search features behind a paywall for the first time. The Financial Times reported that Google is weighing charging for new premium search features powered by generative artificial intelligence. According to the report, that could come by adding AI-powered features to premium subscription services that already offer access to its Gemini AI assistant in Gmail and Google Docs. Meanwhile, Google's mainline search would continue to be free of charge, and ads would be served up with search results even to subscribers. I want to tell you about a few other articles you can look out for on Seeking Alpha. NVIDIA sees no disruptions to chip supply from the Taiwan earthquake. Apple is said to be looking at personal robots for the next big thing. Gold jumps to another record high after Powell's remarks on Wednesday. Silver its best since June of 2021. And we have the stock winners of Republican policy if Donald Trump wins the presidency in November, according to Goldman Sachs. In our catalyst to watch for the day, our house will pay out a special dividend of 50 cents per share to shareholders of record. Some of the notable companies presenting data at the American Association for Cancer Research meeting include Black Diamond Therapeutics, Illumina, NeoGenomics, and Charisma Therapeutics. Analysts have Verastem, Century Therapeutics, and Fusion Pharmaceuticals circled as stocks that could get a jolt from the event. And the CFO of Home Depot will present at the J.P. Morgan Retail Roundup Conference. U.S. stocks on Wednesday ended mixed. The Nasdaq added 0.23%, while the S&P 500 climbed 0.11%, and the Dow concluded marginally lower by 0.11%. Of the 11 S&P sectors, 7 ended in the green. Now for a look at the markets today as of 6 a.m. Ahead of the opening bell, Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq futures are in the green. Crude oil is down 0.2% at more than $85 a barrel. Bitcoin is up 0.1% at more than $66,000. In the world markets, the FTSE 100 is up 0.4% and the DAX is down a small fraction. Levi Strauss is on our list of the biggest movers of the day pre-market. Levi is up 9% after topping expectations in Q1 and raising its profit outlook. On today's economic calendar, at 8:30 a.m., initial jobless claims. At 12:45 p.m., the Fed's Austin Goolsbee will participate in a moderated question and answer session before the multi-chamber Economic Outlook Luncheon and Expo in Chicago. And at 7:30 p.m., the Fed's Adriana Kugler will speak in St. Louis at the Women's Economic Symposium on the topic Enriching Data and Analysis in Economics with Real-Life Experiences. That's it for today's Wall Street Breakfast. Thanks for listening. To take full advantage of Seeking Alpha, join the highest quality community of real investors discussing stocks and ETFs at seekingalpha.com/subscriptions. I'm your host, Julie Morgan. Go out and make it a great day.